Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on the automatic downloads function on the Babbel application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy of to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Go to the profile button at the upper right corner of the screen and click to the settings icon at the upper right corner of the screen. In the settings section you can find the downloads section, and the first option, the automatic download your next lesson and review sessions when connected to Wi-Fi. And if you want to turn on, just click to the next white circle. And if the circle become orange, this function is enabled. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.